At Goody Goody Street, broken pieces of perimeter fence were noticed in the areas while properties were floating on the floor in most of the buildings, while others managed to salvage few of their properties. The affected residents blame the situation on the blocked moat in the area, which is the only channel to deflood the areas.
Now let this thing I remember from my house. So now let this chain, a person can't give me this one. Yes, so nothing if you reach there are nothing for us. I beg. We beg government, when they come to this show for us.
Every year now we do watch this every year. Because if you look at the moat now, they never say the moat. But the place is abandoned us here. Now they will defend the government.
That's why I keep being I'm not be the other one again. When they go help us, water don't spoil my way, all my things. God is not even there for inside the house again.
Residents of Okabere off Sapele Road also got a fair share of the flooding as several vehicles were stuck on the road even after the rains. Some of the affected residents said though they are aware that the road has been awarded for construction, they want the state government to quickly swing into action.
See motor more than 12 spoil for year. Everybody, you know they move everywhere. Even though this house, you want enter, all this one, you enter inside. The street where they the back, so if how many first, enter many people house.
Nobody will feel sleep for inside house now, so they talk to you so. So see motor as you see there, so they just die for inside the road, no road to pass.
Now I went to work when I was trapped here by the erosion.
Edo State Commissioner for Environment, Barrister Omua Oniokbaku, in previous interviews assured members of the public that the state government is doing all it can to tackle flooding in the state. Aigboje Ikhuoria reporting.